In a world where creativity meets passion, where sports come alive on vibrant canvases, prepare to embark on a journey that will transform your space and become the centerpiece of your room. Take a poster sized canvas. Insert two circles and place them like the vertical logo of Dolby. Place the sports person in the center. Type sports in a bold font like Mueller or Cooper Hewitt Heavy. Duplicate the text to the sides and align it such that only some part is seen. Type player's name and their number. Add a rectangular border around the number. Add additional text to the left in empty space where you can fill by using elements like barcode and postal stamps. Changing colors. Set background to grey, circles to dark peach and blue, all text to grey, and additional text to the mixture of the two circles. Apply hollow effect on the text on the sides to focus attention to our player. Add shadow to a player for some separation, and here you go. And there you have it, your very own masterpiece. Thank you for joining us. Like, share and subscribe.